Yo, what's good, Pippin Day family? AlliTrades here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made $38,000 on this one trade selling GBP USD. So let's get right into this. So guys, when I was looking at the charts, we were priced in just about right here. Now, the first thing I noticed on the 4-hour time frame was we had kind of this pattern, this little trend line that we were holding in between, and that we had just broken out of it. When I actually looked at the chart, it was the minute 15, and we were exactly right here. And I know that this was a little bit risky, but also looking at Forex Factory, it was the claimant count change news that was coming out, and I wanted to make sure that I could capitalize on this because I felt, hey, you know what? We've just broken out of this zone, and I understand that with some volume, we could be taking this for a very nice take profit. I mean, look at all the liquidity resting right here. And as you guys know, there's that little trick that I like to use where when we have a fair value gap, we can target it as, the low of it as our take profit. So I was expecting us to sweep all the way to this bottom wick. That's already how I found my target for this trade. Now, all I needed at this point was some sort of confirmation to enter. And as you guys can see, once we kind of built this little pullback, I was expecting price to have done something like this. If we draw this out, we had some consolidation and then an expansion to the downside, and then a pullback, which to me was going to be our lower high, and then price was going to continue dropping lower. So I placed a sell exactly at 842. I believe that is exactly on like the close or the bottom of this candle. It was right at the close, right when I hopped in, price pushed a little bit lower, and I kept my stops just right here. So at this point I was in the trade, and as you guys can see, price starts to do its thing. I was in a bit of drawdown, and then we continued structure, and then towards London Open I was actually able to find this very nice scale in. So you guys can see price was just consolidating for the absolute longest, and I believe it was right here when price pulled up into this order block right here. I called a little scale in. I believe actually it was the fact that we had this liquidity forming right here, and price pulled up and gave us this very nice rejection, and I was in a little bit early off of this candle with stops tucked in just right there. But I was overall looking to take both of these trades to the same take profit of down here. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna just go back to minute 15. When I actually let this trade play out, I mean, this thing ran. And you guys can see, boom, it consolidated for a very long time. We were close to take profit. It pulls back, almost stops us out. And then price holds for a bit. And in the next market day during Asia session, we smack our take profit. And like I said, guys, this little take profit where you target the closer wick of the imbalance is like the holy grail to my trading strategy. Every single time I see that take profit hit, watch what happens after. Boom, price comes all the way up and reverses afterwards. You could have been greedy, you could have tried to hold further, but ultimately that would have cost you. This has been my most precise exit strategy. And when it comes to trading, it's all about precision, it's all about volume, and it's all about the accuracy, right? So me, myself as a trader, recently I've had a 50% win rate, but I've had such accurate trades where I'm able to capitalize like this 1 to 11 and this 1 to 5 that it destroys any win rate needed because I'm catching such bigger wins than my losses. I hope you guys were able to learn a thing or two from this. If you guys would like, I have my free course, my free Discord, and my free Telegram all in the description. And as every single one of my trades, I call them in my VIP signal room. If you guys would like that, the link is in the description as well. I hope to see you guys there. Pip and Dip is completely taking over 2024. You're either with us or you're going to watch us win. So I hope to see you guys there, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.